This Damascus steel knife is the perfect knife for so many occasions, everything from hunting, fishing, camping, just day-to-day usage, whatever it might be. It flips open easily with just this little hook right here, which if you just give it a little bit more of a push, it'll open all the way. You can also give it a little bit of a swing while pushing that to swing it open. And then of course it has the little lever right here to be able to close it. This is about a 3.2-inch blade right here. This is Damascus steel, the way it's been forged and crafted. This is extremely heavy duty with layers upon layers of steel. This thing is extremely sharp. Just to give you a little cutting demonstration, just to show how easy and effortless it is to be able to cut through. That one went a little deeper there, but you're able to just quickly and efficiently shave down sticks, branches, whatever it might be. If you're out camping, this is a perfect utility knife for whatever you might be doing. And then it also has a clip on the back so that you can hook it right to your belt loop, your pants, a bag, whatever it might be. And then it also comes with this already pre-attached so that you can also clip this on with a carabiner, put it onto a bag, your keychain, whatever it might be. You have so many different options how to keep this on you, tied to something, hooked on something, or just right into your pocket, and it's nice and secure because it is closed up. And this is very sharp, about a 3.2-inch blade right here. Beautiful design on the blade as well. Highly recommend this blade. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.